Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this afternoon from sunny England, London, England, that is, not from the NYSC. And U.S. stocks over there across the pond, they are starting well on the downside. This as investors continue to wait word from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and this also amongst mixed data regarding U.S.-China trade figures. At the same time, Fed Chair Jerome Powell will address the Congressional Joint Economic Committee later on in the day. Powell's testimony comes after the Fed cut rates in October for the third time this year. Meanwhile, turning focus over to the Forex markets this afternoon here in London, we begin with the Euro-US dollar pair that continues to see a rebound. The British pound US dollar pair that sees a consolidation in place, while the US dollar Japanese yen pair that's under pressure. Now focus today, that happens to be on the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair, and right now, as long as 0.6366 is the support, look for 0.6432. The relative strength index is above 50, the MACD below its signal line and positive. The pair could retrace, but the 0.6366 former resistance area now acting as a key support due to the polarity principle. Moving on, we have the Bitcoin dollar intraday that sees the upside prevail as long as 86.65 remains the support. And over in precious metals, gold, that's in focus, which sees a continuation of the rebound. The RSI mixed with a bullish bias. Long positions above 1460.50 are favored with targets at 1468 and 1471.50 in extension. And silver that sees a bullish bias above 1680 a troy ounce. And don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks. And from London, Old Billingsgate at the Finance Magnates London Summit 2019. I'm James Sweeney for Trading Central Web TV.